अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देख रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल। हमने पढ़ा इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल, व्हाट इज द फील्ड ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल। अब फॉर कन्वीनियंस हम सिर्फ दो पॉइंट्स पर लेते हैं। हमारे पास एक इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल है हैविंग चार्ज प्लस क्यू एंड माइनस क्यू सेपरेटेड बाय डिस्टेंस 2a। तो इस इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल का भी, जिस तरह हर एक चार्ज का अपना फील्ड है, डायपोल का भी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है। जैसे हमने देखा द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू डायपोल एट ए पॉइंट विल बी इक्वल टू द वेक्टर सम ऑफ द फील्ड्स। वेक्टर सम ऑफ द फील्ड्स ड्यू टू प्लस क्यू एंड माइनस क्यू। यानी कि अगर कोई भी पॉइंट हम लेते हैं जहां हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डिटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रूव देखना चाहते हैं कितना है, व्हाट इज द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, तो वहां हमें क्या होगा, देयर विल बी फील्ड ड्यू टू प्लस क्यू एंड ड्यू टू माइनस क्यू। अब हम देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। हम मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस इजी करने के लिए हम सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट्स पर लेते हैं, और हमारे सिलेबस में भी वही है, एक एक्शन लाइन और एक है इक्वेटोरियल लाइन। तो आज हम देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन एक्शन लाइन। एक्शन लाइन, electric field on axial line of a dipole. So axial line, पहले we know the line joining the two charges is called axis of the dipole, and इसी लाइन को एक्सटेंड करके हम यहाँ आगे इधर इस साइड में या इस साइड में जो भी लाइन है, दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड एक्सियल लाइन। मीन्स द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू two charges or joining through two charges, इसको extend करेंगे तो that is called the axial line. So we take any point. Suppose here is a point P at a distance r. From the center of the, so electric field at the axial line, we take a point P at a distance r from center of dipole. So let this is the center, means the length of dipole length is 2a, so here it is a and here it is a. The distance of P from the center is r, so we place a test charge Q0 at P. So place a test charge at P. To calculate the electric field, because we know the electric field is a force experienced by the test charge, so now there will be the field due to plus Q and field due to minus Q. Let us try to calculate it one by one. Let E plus is electric field intensity or electric field at P due to plus Q charge. Let me name this point where plus Q is situated, it is A, and where minus Q is situated, it is point B. Therefore, A plus. Now, E plus is the electric field intensity at P due to plus Q. So, let us try to calculate it. So, E plus is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by, this is magnitude of the charge. Magnitude of Q divided by the distance. So distance is from this plus Q to P is, एक तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक R है, P से सेंटर तक R है और सेंटर तक A है, that is R plus A. R plus A का whole square. This is same okay. 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R plus A का whole square. Similarly, electric field due to minus Q. Due to this negative charge, that will be equal to E minus is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by, अब यहां से यहां तक कितनी डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज यहां से यहां तक तो A है और पूरा ये R है, सो दिस Q बी पी, और वी में राइट इट Q बाई बी पी का स्क्वायर, और पी बी का स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स E minus is equal to, this is the magnitude, E minus is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by PB is equal to PB, PO था बराबर R, और इसमें से कम करते हैं हम OB, that is R minus A का होल स्क्वायर. Now from diagram it is obvious, it is clear that जो plus field due to plus Q will be less than field due to minus Q, because the distance from P to plus Q is greater than the distance from P to minus Q. So it is clear that E plus जो है that is less than E minus, and the two fields are collinear and opposite to each other. Because field due to plus Q है, that will be directed from to AP, and field due to minus Q will be along PB, because when इसकी direction जो है that will be from A to P, and it will be repelled here, and PB will be attracted. So E plus is less than E minus, so the net electric field on the axial line, that is, I may write here E axial, that is the equal to vector sum of this, that is E minus E plus, because E minus is greater than, और greater E electric field and E plus का कम है, तो इसको subtract करेंगे, because both have the opposite direction. आप देखिए हमने लिखा क्या है, E minus जो है that is equal to E axial will be equal to E minus है 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A का whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A का whole square. तो Q by 4 pi epsilon naught E axial जो है means electric field at a point on the axial line at a distance R from the center of the dipole, E axial will be equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, हम बाहर निकालेंगे तो यहाँ रहेगा 1 by R minus A का whole square minus 1 by R plus A का whole square. तो इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, सो हमारा E axial will be equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R minus A का होल स्क्वायर हो गया R स्क्वायर माइनस 2AR प्लस A स्क्वायर माइनस हम इसको that is E axial, magnitude of E axial is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, ये इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that will be R plus A का होल स्क्वायर माइनस r minus a का whole square divided by that is a minus b into a minus b का whole square into a plus b का whole square, that's a square a minus b into a plus b, that is r square minus a square का whole square. अब इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं हम. चलो अच्छा. So E actual is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. अब इसको और सिंपलीफाई करते हैं, that is r square plus a square plus 2ar minus r square minus a square plus 2ar divided by r square minus a square whole square. So this r square cancels, a square cancels. So this E here means E actual, that is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2ar divided by r square minus a square whole square. Now we know from the dipole moment that P means dipole moment, that is equal to 2aq. So using this here we get E means E actual, that is equal to 2aq into r divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square whole square. Now this 2aq is equal to P, it is replaced by P, that is E is equal to Rp divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square. Sorry, this is not 2aq, but it is 2ar plus 2ar means 4ar. This is 2aq into 2r, then is 2rp divided by r square minus a square का whole square. This is the electric field at a point at the distance r from the center of the dipole, and it is directed towards, that means that is directed towards E minus. Electric field, because the minus has greater intensity than E plus. Now we know the dipole has less space between the two charges, so that means if 2a is much less than r, then this 2a is neglected. This is neglected against r. Means when the place where we are going to detect electric field is greater than the dipole length, then we ignore this dipole length. So what it E becomes equal to 2rp divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. अब E को हमने इग्नोर किया का whole square, that is E is equal to 2rp divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r raised to power 4. R and R cancels, so which implies E is equal to 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r का cube. 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. That is the expression for electric field intensity or electric field at a point at a distance r from the center of a dipole.